Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung will treat us to its Galaxy S24 series, which is shaping up to be a minor refresh over last year's Galaxy S23 series. Of course, some changes will be introduced, but the general scope of things will remain, fixated on the company's existing philosophy for the Galaxy experience, which has barely changed in the past few years. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the more exciting release, with extra features and a decidedly higher appeal, which leaves the Galaxy S24 Plus in the precarious position of being the less thrilling new Samsung phone. Totally undeserved because in itself, it will most certainly be an excellent phone overshadowed by a more premium sibling. There won't be many changes between Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Plus previous generations. The larger phone will reiterate the same design language that has been utilized since the Galaxy S22 Ultra, while the Galaxy S24 Plus will employ the same refreshed look that the Galaxy S23 Plus scored in early 2023. This design language is now uniform across the lineup, so the Galaxy S24 series will continue the trend. Currently, the only major difference expected is Galaxy S24 Ultra's switch from aluminum to titanium, which would introduce negligible weight savings but deliver a robust, more premium frame to rival the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It seems that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will also get slightly flatter sides in comparison with its predecessor. Galaxy S24 Ultra features 6.8-inch OLED WQHD LTPO, 1-to-120Hz, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, 16GB RAM, 1TB storage, LPDDR5X, 200MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP 3x telephoto, 50MP 5x telephoto, 12MP front, 5000 mAh, USB-C, 45W wired, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. Galaxy S24 Plus features 6.7-inch OLED WQHD, 120Hz, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 US, Exynos 2400, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, 8GB RAM, 512GB storage, LPDDR5, 50MP main, 12MP ultra, 10MP 3x zoom, 12MP front camera, 4900 mAh battery, USB-C, 45W wired, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. So, the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 Plus would introduce tons of changes to the Galaxy flagship formula. Then you should probably reevaluate your expectations. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.